Linking your bank account to Edward Jones is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your investments and transactions more efficiently. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Edward Jones website and log into your account using your username and password. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one first. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, find the Account Settings or Profiles section in the main menu. This area typically contains options related to your personal information and linked accounts. Step 3. Select Bank Account Linking. In the Account Settings, look for an option that says Link Bank Account or Bank Account Management. Click on this option to begin the linking process. Step 4. Enter your bank information. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your bank information, review the details for accuracy. Once confirmed, click on the Save or Link Account button to complete the process. You may receive a confirmation message once your bank account is successfully linked. By following these steps, you can easily link your bank account to your Edward Jones account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.